In this video I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and quick setup of your Canon Pixma G6020 printer. So let's start with the unboxing and the setup. Switch on the printer, so press the power button. Now select your language. Now we have to install the print heads and we have to fill in the ink. So open this section. Now lift the ink chamber, so you just lift it from here, let it stand. Now the first thing is to install the print heads. So you get two print heads here. Place your thumb and finger here and lift it up. Now take your print head out. Remove the seal and pull it. Now the B go to the B side, so place it here and take the C, that is color, pull it, remove the seal, place it here. Now press it down. Next is to install the ink. So let's start with the color ink. So that's the yellow. Open the bottle. Place it here and let it go in. So it has completely filled in. Place the magenta. Shake the bottle a little bit and take it out. Now close this section. And the next is to place the black. Now close it and close this lid. Press it down and let it close. Now go to your screen. If you want to improve the print quality, you can just click on the yes button and also load the paper. You can load paper at the rear paper tray or you can load it at the cassette tray. Adjust the size. Once you install the paper, click OK. Prepare for connection. OK. Ready to connect. Now we have to do the Wi-Fi setup. Click on the setting icon. Click OK on the setup. Wi-Fi setup. Scroll ahead. Click manual connect. Press OK. It will search for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network and click OK. Press OK to enter the password. Now enter the password using this keypad. If you press the setting button, you will see alphabets, numbers, uppercase, lowercase, and then use this to select whatever the character you want to enter. For example, A. OK. And then if I want to enter digit 7, then OK, like this. Once you enter the password, press and hold the OK button to apply it and select yes. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi, click OK. Press the copy button and you will see the main screen. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Next is to add in our iPhone or any device for wireless printing and scanning. In iPhone, download the Canon Print app. Here we have to add the printer. So click on the printer button. Select register printer. Wait for the printer to appear. Select Canon G6020 series. And you should be able to see your printer. Now we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. For example, to print, select any document, click next, click on the print button. So this way we can do the printing. Now let's do the scanning. So go to the app, go back, main screen. You will see the scan option, click on it. Place a page on the top scanner. So for example, we can place this page facing downwards and click on the scan icon. Here we can see the scan has been transferred. So this way we can do the scanning. You can save it or you can share this file. So this way we can do the complete setup of this printer. Thanks for watching.